Welcome to Soft Hour Studio, a quiet place to unwind, where every story is an invitation to rest, and every moment leads you gently towards sleep. Welcome, dear listener, to this gentle journey of rest and relaxation. As you settle into your comfortable space, I invite you to release the weight of the day and allow your body to soften into whatever is supporting you. Feel your breathing naturally slowing down as we embark on a peaceful journey through the lavender fields of Provence at the most magical hour, dusk. Let the gentle rhythm of these words guide you toward deep, restful sleep. The day's warmth lingers in the air as the golden sun begins its leisurely descent toward the horizon. You find yourself on a narrow country road lined with ancient cypress trees that stand like quiet sentinels against the mellowing sky. With each step along this peaceful path, you feel the tension in your shoulders dissolving, melting away like morning mist. The gravel beneath your feet makes a soft, soothing crunch with each unhurried step. The sound blends harmoniously with the distant calls of birds returning to their nests for the evening. A gentle breeze carries the first hints of lavender, subtle at first, then growing more pronounced as you round a gentle bend in the road. And there before you, stretching toward the setting sun, are endless waves of lavender. The fields flow like a purple-blue ocean across the rolling hills of Provence. The plants sway rhythmically in the breeze, creating a hypnotic pattern that invites your eyes to softly gaze without focusing too intently on any single point. You step off the path onto a small trail that meanders through the fragrant field. The aroma envelops you now, sweet, herbaceous, and incredibly soothing. Each breath fills your lungs with this natural perfume, known for centuries for its ability to calm the mind and prepare the body for restful sleep. The light is changing now, shifting from gold to the softer hues of dusk. Pinks and purples paint the sky, mirroring the lavender below in a perfect harmony of colors. Time seems to slow here, stretching each moment into a peaceful eternity when nothing is required of you but to simply be present and breathe. As you continue your gentle walk, you notice a small stone cottage nestled among the fields. Its weathered facade glows warmly in the fading light, looking as though it has grown organically from the Provençal landscape over centuries. Tendrils of fragrant wisteria frame the wooden door, which stands slightly ajar, welcoming you inside. You approach the cottage, feeling drawn to its promise of shelter and rest. The stone path leading to the door is worn smooth by countless footsteps before yours, creating a sense of connection to this timeless place. A terracotta pot beside the entrance holds a small olive tree, its silvery leaves rustling softly in the evening breeze. Stepping through the doorway, you enter a space of profound comfort. The cottage is simple but beautiful. White plastered walls, exposed wooden beams overhead, and a floor of smooth, honey-colored stone that retains the day's warmth. A small fireplace holds the quietly crackling remains of a fire, casting a gentle, flickering light throughout the room. Near the window that overlooks the lavender fields sits a comfortable chair, draped with a soft linen throw. You settle into it, feeling the perfect support it provides for your tired body. The chair seems designed specifically for comfort, allowing you to fully relax as you gaze out at the purple fields, now bathed in the final light of day. On a small table beside you sits a cup of herbal tea, still warm and releasing tendrils of fragrant steam. The scent of chamomile, honey, and lavender rises to meet you. As you take a sip, the warm liquid brings comfort from the inside out, relaxing you even more deeply. The light outside continues its gradual transition. Long shadows stretch across the lavender fields, and the first stars begin to appear in the deepening blue of the eastern sky. There is no hurry here, no schedule to keep, nowhere to be but exactly where you are, enveloped in comfort and tranquility. You notice a small shelf of books beside the fireplace, each one looking well loved. Perhaps someone has been collecting stories of this magical region for years, savoring tales of the land and its gentle rhythms. The thought brings a sense of continuity, of being part of something enduring and peaceful. From somewhere not too distant comes the soft hooting of an owl beginning its nighttime vigil. The sound is soothing rather than startling, a natural lullaby that belongs perfectly to this twilight hour. You feel yourself becoming heavier in the chair, more relaxed with each passing moment. Outside the window, the lavender now appears as a dark, velvety blanket under the deepening night sky. The stars have multiplied, speckling the darkness with their ancient light. In this remote corner of Provence, far from city lights, the night sky reveals itself in all its magnificent clarity. The breeze has gentled even further, now just occasionally stirring the lace curtains at the window. Each movement creates a soft, rhythmic sound, almost like the ocean tide flowing in and out, in and out. Your breathing naturally synchronizes with this peaceful rhythm. The temperature has cooled with nightfall, but you feel perfectly comfortable, not too warm, not too cool. The linen throw provides just the right amount of weight and warmth across your legs. Your body feels increasingly heavy, pleasantly anchored to the chair, as though gravity has become slightly stronger, inviting you toward deeper relaxation. The scent of lavender remains, joined now by the earthier aromas of the cooling landscape. Rich soil, stone warmed by the day's sun, now releasing its heat. The distant hint of pine from the woods beyond the fields. These natural perfumes mingle in the air, creating a complex but gentle fragrance that soothes your senses. Time continues its slow unfolding in this peaceful haven. There is nowhere to go, nothing to accomplish. In this moment, your only task is to rest, to breathe, to allow your consciousness to drift like the stars above the lavender fields. Each breath comes a little deeper, a little slower. The cottage holds you in its quiet embrace as night fully claims the sky. The last traces of daylight have faded completely now, leaving only the gentle glow of starlight through the window and the soft flicker of the dying embers in the fireplace. These subtle sources of light create a cocoon of comfort around you. As you rest in this perfect stillness, you become aware of how your body has released all its tension. Your shoulders rest heavily, your hands lie open and relaxed, your legs feel wonderfully weighted. Each exhalation seems to carry you deeper into this state of tranquility. The night deepens around the little stone cottage, enfolding it in a blanket of perfect peace. The lavender fields, the stars, the gentle sounds of the evening, all continue their timeless existence as your awareness of them gradually softens. You are safe here, perfectly at ease, drifting now between wakefulness and dreams. Allow yourself to fully surrender to this profound relaxation, knowing that the lavender fields will continue their gentle sway through the night, watching over your dreams. The stars will trace their ancient paths across the sky, while you rest deeply and completely. Sleep comes now, as natural as the falling dusk, carrying you effortlessly into a night of restorative, peaceful slumber.